So good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to present the most spectacular poster of our batch of organ donation. Now through our poster we have seen many posters till now from the morning. But yes, through our poster we want to depict that how organs donated continue their journey throughout various steps. They are the stories, the 8 stories that will be depicted through the poster. Yes, they are not the fairy tale stories, but the stories that will pass on the legacy of life. Now we will start with the poster presentation.
We have painted the poster that represents the idea of organ donation. Donating organ is the gift of life that you can give to someone. So we have painted a bunch of cards containing organs that could be donated. So by donating organ, we lay a hope in someone's life by promoting the culture of interconnectedness. The heading of our poster is Continue Your Life Journey in 8 different stories that tells us you can be ray of hope for someone's life by donating 8 different types of organs, and also you can live after death. So this picture, that girl, the running girl represents or symbolizes an organ donor, and this girl is a recipient. So this girl, after donating the organ, disappears. Hence, the slogan written above this picture, that pass on the legacy of life, is clearly indicating its own meaning. Thank you.
Pass on the legacy of the life. By donating the organs, we can leave the last impact on the other lives and essentially giving them the chance of the life to the thrive. Okay? Then Swastham Jeevanam Avyodanasya Sandesham. Swastham Jeevanam Avyodanasya Sandesham. By donating the organs, we can improve the life of the others.
As we know, the purpose of this activity is spreading the awareness about organ donation. But while doing this, many questions arise in people's mind that if I donated my organ, then will I survive or not? What are the complications that will occur in my body? How can I contribute in organ donation? So what are the ways that I can contribute in it? Then mostly people think that after death we can donate organs, or individuals like in coma only they can donate the organs. But as we know, in living state we can donate the organ like one kidney, some part of liver, some part of lung, then our cornea, tissue, and bone marrow, and so on, etc. And this is called as a living organ donation. And the organs which can be donated after the death, or the organs which are donated in conditions like brain death or cardiac death, this is called as a disease organ donation. And I think that this one is the basic knowledge, or the general idea that everyone should know, so that the many people step forward for organ donation.
Heart is one of the organs that could be transplanted. Its preservation time is 4 to 6 hours. Preservative techniques include cold storage and hypothermic perfusion up to 4 degrees Celsius. Post-transplant challenges include graft rejection. Immune system of receiver may attack the heart cells of donor. And if immunosuppressive drugs are injected, the risk of infection is increased.
Preservation time 4 to 6 hours. Preservation technique are preserved in cold preservation solution, and their condition is maintained by using ventilator machine to keep them oxygenated. Transplant procedure. Lungs are transplanted into recipient's body involving complex surgical procedure. Challenges: short reduction time and delicate nature of lung tissue make this one of the more complex organ to transplant. Rejection and monitoring. Post-transplant, the recipient will need immunosuppressive medications to prevent rejection. Lifelong follow-up and medications are necessary for lung function and overall health.
The liver transplantation preservation time is 12 to 24 hours. Preservation technique is the liver is stored under cool storage up to 4 degrees Celsius to slow down the metabolic processes. The transplantation procedures include 3 processes: orthotopic, the living donor, and the third one is split liver transplantation. In split liver transplantation, the liver donor is given into 2 recipients, is transplanted into 2 recipients. The challenges faced are we have to manage manage the bleeding during surgery. The surgeons have to manage the bleeding during surgery. And the immunosuppressive therapy is also given to the recipient. And the liver has a unique ability to regenerate itself. But when we transplant a small portion of liver, to the recipient, the survival rates over the years, the liver transplantation has been shown various nice results.
Kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation is the transplantation of the kidney into the patient with the end-stage kidney diseases like the chronic renal failure and then the first kidney transplantation is performed in the 1954 and the team is included by Joseph Urey and Hartmut Harrison, and the Joseph Urey is awarded by the Nobel Prize in Physiology of the Medicine in 1990, and in 2018 the estimated 95,471 kidney transplants are performing worldwide, and about 36% are from the living donor.
If we talk about the corneal transplantation, then the cornea can be preserved for safely stored for 11 days before the transplantation, and cornea can be preserved by the hypothermic method, and second organ culture method, and third one is cryopreservation method. And if we talk about what are the problems that can arise, astigmatism is a condition in which the curve of the cornea is not perfect, and second one is the glaucoma. In glaucoma condition, the pressure inside the eyes is increases and it results in the bleeding.
Pancreatic donation and transplantation involves several steps like disease donation, living donation, matching of blood type and tissue type, surgical retrieval, transportation and transplantation. Preservation time is 12 to 18 hours, and preservation techniques includes cold storage technique at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius by using specialized preservatives like Percadex solution, Celsius solution, then machine perfusion, normothermic regional perfusion. During transplantation of pancreas, the superior mesenteric vein of pancreas recipient is connected with the donor pancreas portal vein, and recipient's common iliac artery is connected to the donor pancreas arterial stump.
The intestine. We will be talking about 8 to 12 hours. The intestine is a very sensitive organ with a rapid transplantation. The process includes the removing of damaged portion of the recipient intestine and replacing with the donor intestine. Which face the challenges like rejection and infection.
Organ donation is important, organ transplantation is important, but underlying steps are also important. They are organ preservation time, organ preservation technique, transplant procedures, legal and ethical issues. Now we will go to the PPT presentation by Dheeraj and Pranay.
What is organ donation? Organ donation is the process of giving an organ or a part of an organ to be transplanted into another person. Transplant can save or greatly improve the lives of recipients. Types of organ donation. There are several types of organ donation. Disease organ donation. Organs are donated after the donor's death, typically from branded or cardiac dead individuals. Living organ donation. Living individuals donate organ or tissue such as kidneys, liver lobes or lung lobes. Paired donation. Living donors swap organ with another donor recipient pair when the donor and recipient are incompatible. Altruistic donation. Living donors give organ to strangers, often triggering a chain of paired donation. Directed donation. Donors specify the recipient upon a friend or family member. Autologous donation. Patient donate their own blood or tissue before surgery for further use. Tissue donation. Donors provide cornea, skin, bone, cartilage and other tissue for transplantation or research. Stem cell donation. Donors give stem cell which can develop into various cell types for research or treatment. Or how organ donation works? म्हणजे ऑर्गन डोनेशन कसं वर्क करते, ज्याला कोणाला पहिल्यांदा ज्याला डोनेशन करायचे हे हॅज टू रजिस्टर इट इन, म्हणजे त्याला पहिल्यांदा ते मेडिकल रेकॉर्डमध्ये पहिल्यांदा रजिस्टर करावं लागेल. नंतर त्याचं इव्हॅल्युएशन केलं जाते, म्हणजे त्या डोनरचं कोणता ऑर्गन डोनेट करण्यासाठी हेल्दी आहे ते पाहिलं जाते. नंतर इव्हॅल्युएशन केल्यानंतर डोनर आणि रेसिपियंटची ऑर्गन मॅचिंग केली जाते. हे ऑर्गन मॅचिंग केली जाते आणि हे सर्व काही युएनओच्या अंडर केलं जातं, युएनओस ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या अंडर केलं जातं. नंतर पुन्हा एकदा डोनरची परमिशन घेतली जाते की त्याला ऑर्गन डोनेशन करायचं की नाही. नंतर आफ्टर त्या परमिशन घेतल्यानंतर सर्जरीची प्रोसिजर फॉलो केली जाते आणि सर्जरी झाल्यानंतर ऑर्गन रिमूव्ह केल्यानंतर ते प्रिझर्व केलं जातं. ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन, द रेसिपियंट undergoes surgery to receive the donated organ. After the transplant, the recipient will need to take medication to prevent organ rejection and will be monitored closely by their medical team. Recovery and follow. Both the donor's family and recipient receive support and follow care for living donors. Recovery involves a period of rest and medical care. Recipients will have ongoing medical appointment to ensure the transplanted organ is functioning well.
पोस्ट ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन केअरमध्ये आपण काय वापरतो? बेसिकली सर्जिकली जर आपण बघितलं तर इम्युनोसप्रेसंट्स आपण मोस्टली यूज करतो. ते आहे प्रेडनिसोन, सिरोलिमस, एव्हेरोलिमस, मायक्रोफिनोलेट, मोफेप्टिन अँड CD25 अँटीबॉडी.
बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ऑर्गन डोनेशन फॉर रेसिपियंट फॅमिली, म्हणजे ज्या फॅमिलीला पेशंटला ऑर्गन देतो आपण, फर्स्ट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इज लाईफ सेविंग इम्पॅक्ट. द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकंट इम्पॅक्ट आहे हा, आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्या पेशंटला सेकंड चान्स लाईफ जगण्याचा भेटतोय. परत इम्प्रूव्ह द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाईफ, म्हणजे रेसिपियंट्स ऑफ्टन एक्सपिरियन्स सिग्निफिकंट इम्प्रूव्हमेंट इन देअर हेल्थ क्वालिटी ऑफ लाईफ. रिड्यूस्ड मेडिकल बर्डन्स, म्हणजे ड्यू टू सक्सेसफुल ऑर्गन ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन देअर इज नो नीड ऑफ लॉंग टर्म मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, हॉस्पिटलायझेशन आणि कॉन्स्टंट मेडिकल केअर. इमोशनल रिलीफ त्याला आणि त्याच्या फॅमिलीला आपण मिळतो. आणि बेनिफिट्स फॉर डोनर्स फॅमिली, म्हणजे सेन्स ऑफ पर्पज अँड लेगसी, इमोशनल हिलिंग, प्राईड ऑफ ऑनर, म्हणजे त्या फॅमिलीला प्राईड, त्यांना ऑर्गन डोनेट केले त्याच्याबद्दल त्या व्यक्तीविषयी प्राईड फील होते. कम्युनिटी अँड सपोर्ट, त्याच्यामुळे त्या फॅमिलीकडून त्या ऑर्गन डोनेशनचं नेटवर्क प्रोव्हाइड होते, सपोर्ट भेटतो ऑर्गन डोनेशनसाठी. आणि पॉझिटिव्ह फोकस. स्टॅटिक्स अँड फॅक्ट्स अबाउट ऑर्गन डोनेशन. Organ donation is vary from country region, but when we global statistics is approximately 1.5 million organ transplants per year, and the donation rates of organ donation are countries with high donation rate often have well established donation system and public awareness campaign. Example, Spain has one of the highest organ donation rates in the world. Due to competitive approach to organ donation and transplantation, efforts are continually being made to improve organ donation rates through awareness campaigns, policy changes, and advancements in medical technology. Here, जेव्हा आपण इंडियाचा विचार करतो तेव्हा 2 लाख कॉर्नियल डोनेशन्स ॲन्युअल रिक्वायरमेंट आहे, पण फक्त 50,000च आपल्याला अवेलेबिलिटी आहे. 5 लाख ऑर्गन ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन पर इयर करायला लागते, गरज आहे. आता आपण ऑर्गन वाईज विचार केला तर 2 लाख किडनीची रिक्वायरमेंट आहे, पण फक्त 1784 किडनी आपल्या अवेलेबल होतात ऑर्गन डोनेशनसाठी. 50,000 हर्ट्सला 339 हर्ट्स अवेलेबल आहे आणि 50,000 लिव्हर्ससाठी 704 लिव्हर्स अवेलेबल आहे. आणि जर आपण त्यांचं डोनेशन रेट्स बघितला तर स्पेनचा सगळ्यात हाय आहे 46.9 पर मिलियन. USA विचार केला तर 31.96 पर मिलियन आणि इंडियाचा विचार केला तर फक्त 0.86 पर मिलियन इंडियाचा रेट आहे ऑर्गन डोनेशनसाठी. आणि the myths and facts about organ donations. I am too old to be an organ donor, but fact is that there is no strict barrier of organ donation. The main condition is the health and availability viability of organs. Second fact myth is if I sign up as organ donor, doctors won't try as a hard to save my life. But fact is that there are two different teams that works on the medical teams are different and transplant teams are different. The medical teamचा मेन फोकस तुमची लाईफ सेव्ह करण्यासाठीच असतोय. त्यांचं सर्व इफर्ट झाल्यानंतर जेव्हा पूर्ण डेट होईल तेव्हाच आपण ते ऑर्गन डोनेशन किंवा ट्रान्सप्लांटेशनचा विचार करतात. सेकंड फॅक्ट इज की माय रिलिजन्स ऑर कल्चर डझंट सपोर्ट ऑर्गन डोनेशन, बट फॅक्ट इज most major religions supports organ donation as an fact of charity and saving lives. However, it always good to consult with your religious leader if you have a constant time. आणि I can decide who gets my organ after I die. म्हणजे आपण स्वतः डिसाईड करू शकतो की आपले ऑर्गन आपण डेट नंतर कोणाला देऊ शकतो किंवा नाही.
ज्याला कोणालाही ऑर्गन डोनेशन करायचं आहे त्याला आपण घर बसल्या जागी ऑनलाईन ऑर्गन डोनेशन करू शकते. दिस इज वेबसाईट http://organindia.organplace2be and organ. या वेबसाईटवर ऑर्गन डोनेशनसाठी आपण रजिस्टर करू शकता. या वेबसाईट नंतर ऑर्गन डोनेशन करताना प्लेस घ्यावी लागते. तुम्हाला ऑर्गन डोनेशन करायचं नाही हे सगळं रेकॉर्डेड असते. नॉटो ऑर्गनायझेशन हे सर्व काही रेकॉर्ड करते. Challenges and issues. Organ donation faces several challenges and issues including donor shortage, there are ethical concerns, public awareness, legal and logistic issues, and organ transplant.
How you can help? म्हणजे आपण कसं हेल्प करू शकतो? फायनान्शियल कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन, व्हॉलंटिअरिंग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज, ऑर्गन डोनेशन, प्रेझेंटेशन्स, लिव्हिंग डोनेशन, स्प्रेड द वर्ल्ड अँड शेअर स्टोरीज. आणि समोग्राफिकल डाटा ऑर्गन डोनेशन, पेशंट्स वेटिंग लिस्ट बाय ऑर्गन 2024 प्रमाणे आहे आणि इकडं ट्रान्सप्लांट किती परफॉर्म झाले 2024 प्रमाणे. खूपच डिफरन्स आहे यामध्ये. त्यानंतर हे 2023चा आहे पीपल्स वेटिंग आणि इकडं आहे एज बाय वेटिंग लिस्ट किती आहे 5 to 6 years. असं एज वाईज किती वेटिंग लिस्ट आहे ऑर्गनसाठी आणि इकडं इथे ॲज इटिनिटी वाईज पेशंट इकडं ॲज 2024 आणि इकडे ट्रान्सप्लांट परफॉर्मनं आणि किती ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन झाले आतापर्यंत आणि आपण 13 ऑगस्टला वर्ल्ड ऑर्गन डोनेशन.
तर आता आपण डेटा सगळा बघितला. युरोप, स्पेन, अमेरिका इथं ऑर्गन डोनेशनची संख्या कम्पेअर केली इंडियासोबत तर किती फरक दिसून येतो आपल्याला. असं नाहीये की आपण काय करतच नाही, पण गव्हर्नमेंट थ्रू फार इम्प्लिमेंटेशन्स होतात, NGOs थ्रू खूप बरंच काय होतं. पण इंडियन मेंटॅलिटीला यात दोष दिला जातो. पण असं काही नाहीये. इंडियात जोपर्यंत पुढे येऊन ऑर्गन डोनेट करणार नाही हे जे मागचे नंबर्स आहेत ते बदलणार नाही. आज जर आपण बघितलं ते वेबसाईट्स आहेत, नोटो ते ऑर्गनायझेशन, तिथं तुम्ही रजिस्ट्रेशन करू शकता. पण सगळ्यात सोपी गोष्ट जेव्हा आपण RTOचे लायसन्स काढतो, आता नवीन गव्हर्नमेंटने चालू केले, रिन्यू करतो, तेव्हा ऑर्गन डोनेशनचं ऑप्शन आहे. आणि टाइम्स ऑफ इंडियाची नवीन रिपोर्ट होती की फक्त 10% लोक विलिंग आहेत ऑर्गन डोनेशनसाठी. ह्यामुळे आपण मागं आहे. जोपर्यंत आपण म्हणतो ना वेळ आपल्या घराच्या दारापर्यंत येत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण काही करत नाही. ही प्रवृत्ती जोपर्यंत आपण बदलत नाही तोपर्यंत हे आपले बदलणं शक्य नाही. एवढाच मेसेज संदेश आम्हाला द्यायचा होता. थँक्यू.